I'm Karen Sperling, and in this video I'm going to show you some quick techniques for turning a photo into a painting with Corel Painter using Auto-Painting and Painter 2016's new Dynamic Speckle technology. I opened the photo in Corel Painter and chose File Clone to work on a copy of the photo and to leave the original intact. I like to add a color scheme, and I do so by choosing a color in the color panel and then choosing Layers, New Layer. I fill the layer with the chosen color by choosing Edit Fill. Next, I choose Colorize in the Layer panel in the Composite Methods menu, which is the equivalent of Photoshop's blend modes. Then I lower the layer's opacity to 60, and I choose Layers Drop to flatten the layer into the image. I choose File, Save As, and give this image a new name. I'll call it Bride Source. This is the new source image. Next, I eliminated some details by choosing Window, Auto-Painting Panels, Underpainting. I set Smart Blur at 12% and clicked Apply Underpainting. This image was now my source image, and I chose File, Clone. The clone was now the painting. Next, I chose Edit, Fill, and filled with the same color from before. Then I chose Canvas, Tracing Paper to turn on tracing paper, which is a non-printing ghost of the original that you can use for reference. In the Window, Clone Source panel, I lowered the opacity slider to see tracing paper at 100%. Click the first icon in the Clone Source panel to toggle tracing paper on and off. Next, I chose Window, Auto-Painting Panels, Auto-Painting. I clicked Smart Stroke Painting and Smart Settings. I chose the Dynamic Speckles brush and the Bristle Soft Cover Pressure Expression variant. I clicked the Reset tool in the property bar to bring back the original settings, raised the size slider, and clicked Clone Color Rubber Stamp in the Color panel to pick up colors from the source image. I clicked the arrow in the Auto Painting panel to run Auto Painting. Auto Painting applied brushstrokes based on the clone source. I speeded up the painting for this video. Next, I created a second auto painting. I selected the source photo, chose File Clone, filled with brown again, and with the auto painting panel set up the same way, I chose the cloners, brushes, and the Particle Spring Wormhole Cloner 2 variant. I clicked Reset and I raised the size slider and ran Auto Painting again. And I speeded up the painting again for this video. This is the image I just created, and this is the image I created before. I'm going to add this image to this image as a layer. With this image selected, I'm going to choose Select All, which selects the image, and with the Layer Adjuster tool selected, I'm going to click, which makes the image into a layer, and I'm going to click and drag the layer on top of this image. If I hide this layer, you can see the other image. Then I'm going to combine them by choosing Magic Combine in the Layers panel, and I'm going to lower the opacity to 52%. Next, I choose Layers, Drop, to flatten the layer into the image. I choose the Cloners Soft Cloner variant and paint back some details. And that's how I used Corel Painter's Auto Painting and Painter 2016's new Dynamic Speckle technology to turn a photo into a painting.